Hey everybody, welcome back to another Classics Are Better. I'm Travis, and today I got a treat for you guys. I am out at the beautiful Texas Motor Speedway, and my buddy Rusty, who owns Texas Air Systems, is having an event. They rented out the racetrack. They're doing the driving school. They got the NASCAR Limo out here. You can see everybody set up doing the training runs before they actually bust all the NASCARs out. We got the North Texas Motorhead car club out here. That's kind of how I got to come out. But I tell you what, guys, this should be a really fun day. Let's get hanging out and get up to some adventures. We got Scott and Dean. What's up, buddy? You all right? Yeah, man. What's going on? Just hanging out, trying to document this really cool day. It's kind of a different one. We got Paul and Stace too. Motorheads, baby. Motorheads. Got Rogers 32. Dean 69. Check out Dean's cool 69 here. Let's check out a couple more of these cars while we're still out here in the infield area. There's Scott's Impala. Z06, let's go fast. We have Paul's LS powered F100 he calls Truck Norris. Always an awesome truck to see. So again, guys, this is Rusty's 60 El Camino. It used to belong to Tony Stewart. This thing is cherry, y'all. Very, very cool. I just want to introduce you guys to Rusty, the man, the myth, the legend. So this man runs Texas Air Systems and is so good to his employees and his customers and his friends. Have us all out for this wonderful event with everything going on. So you were saying you grew this company from 36 people to almost 500 now?
Well, I was one of the partners now. I was just a small part in the big hub.
Yeah?
But, we've been really blessed. The company has really done really well. And the strength and the backbone is the people that you see out there.
Yeah.
That's everything.
Good people will take you anywhere you need to go.
That's right. Good people is everything. But yeah, I was a very small part in this deal, but I was proud to be a spoke in the wheel.
Yeah?
It's been a great ride, continues to be.
Well, I'm very thankful for you inviting us out here and for being an awesome friend and hanging out in the car club and all this kind of stuff. So it's going to be a good day, guys. Stay along for the adventure. All right, so they got a bunch of cool NASCARs inside. So me and Carl are going to go check it out. So you guys have seen it in some of my past videos going around the track, but here's that NASCAR Limo in person. This thing is massive. It is like the size of a bus. Look how fast this thing goes. It goes pretty fast. So hopefully we'll be going for a ride in this thing in a little bit. Lots of NASCARs, y'all. Lots of NASCARs. Everywhere. Oh yeah. So the driving school out here at Texas Motor Speedway is Team Texas Driving School. You can see they got all the good toys out here ready to rock and roll. Got people getting their driving suits on. They're running around people in vans first, just to kind of learn how they want them, like the line they want them to take on the track or whatnot. But it's a gorgeous day. Smell of high octane in the air. Can't go wrong. Got NASCAR driver David Starr pushing cars into the pit. It is his driving school. Me and Carl have decided that the Jack Daniels car by far has the best sound, correct?
Correct.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You ready? Yeah, I think I'm gonna turn my hat around, right?
Yeah, you better turn it around.
Let's go, we go. All right, y'all, so not squeaky time. So not only we get to get in the NASCAR limo, David Starr's driving us. Oh yeah. how slanted it is up here. Holy moly. was great. David, thank you, sir. Appreciate it, man. That was awesome.
You stop, feel the banking, you know?
Sure. Yeah, that was
And
really
it's like,
cool.
man, I missed pit road. I had to turn it.
Thank you guys again for coming out.
Hey, thank you guys. This was awesome.
Appreciate it, you know?
Very cool.
Thank you, man.
Thank you.
Appreciate the hospitality.
Y'all have to watch Talladega on Saturday. He's running.
Oh, very cool.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Best of luck.
What car number?
07.
07.
There you go.
Cool.
See, now got somebody to root for on Saturday. It makes it a lot more fun.
Hells yeah.
Yeah, man.
Good times. Yeah, man, looks good. It's gonna do it for this Classics Are Better. As always, I greatly appreciate you guys hanging out with me, especially out here at Texas Motor Speedway and checking out all this cool NASCAR stuff with me. But until the next time, my friends, get out there, get wrenching. Have a good one.